Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now run code 1 that triggers the error and see the output. Let's walk you through the interpretation and the correction for this bug. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. Now we'll repair the code and observe the final output. And there you have it. The code executes flawlessly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. That wraps up our video for today. If this video was of help, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming fix videos. Keep the curiosity alive. Keep growing, and happy programming to all.